Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to manage your privacy settings in the Puma app to stop it from collecting unnecessary information. If you value your data and want to maintain control over app tracking, let's begin the steps. First, open the Puma app on your phone. Look at the bottom right corner and tap on the account icon. Next, once you are in the account section, you will see a menu. From there, tap on Settings. After that, find the app tracking section within the settings. Here, you will see options for performance cookies and functional cookies. Turn both of these off to stop the app from collecting unnecessary information about your usage. Finally, make sure to click on Save Selection to apply the changes and protect your privacy. By following these simple steps, you can prevent the app from collecting information without your consent. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with friends who want to secure their app privacy.